Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Cadillac Cue system. Let's start with the home screen, which is your central hub for all functions. You'll notice an 8-inch touchscreen display that responds to touch gestures similar to a smartphone. The system provides haptic feedback, giving a slight pulse to confirm your selections. This intuitive design makes navigating through menus and options straightforward and engaging. We'll cover how to access key features like navigation, audio, and climate control. Navigating to your destination is simple with Cue. Just tap the map icon on the home screen to bring up the navigation interface. You can input addresses using the on-screen keyboard, or, for added convenience, use voice commands to speak your destination. Switching between audio sources is equally easy. Select from AM/FM radio, satellite radio, your connected media device, or Bluetooth audio with just a few taps. Controlling your cabin environment is intuitive with Cue's climate controls. Below the main screen, you'll find a sleek touch panel for adjusting temperature, fan speed, and air distribution. Beyond climate, Cue allows extensive personalization. Dive into the settings menu to customize everything from your display brightness to connectivity options. You can even create individual user profiles, ensuring your preferred settings for audio, navigation, and more are always ready when you get behind the wheel. Beyond the core functions, the Cue system offers advanced integration with your smartphone. You can easily connect using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to access your favorite apps, messages, and contacts directly on the display. Explore the Cue App Store for additional services and features to enhance your driving experience. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. Be sure to check the description for a link to this product and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.